So we finally got up to Cavehill, McGart's Fort. I've been wanting to get up here for years because I haven't been up here since probably I was a kid. It's just one of those things like when you live in Belfast, like sometimes you just don't come up to the places, you know, on your doorstep. There's West Belfast and South Belfast that way. And then you got North Belfast, Eden Abbey, Glengarry, all that direction up there too. And then Bangor Village. Throughout the full history and signs the whole way up too. It could be better signposted, to be honest with you. Some of the trails are quite hard to find where to go. We went the wrong way once or twice, so something to sort of think about the council. I don't know what these are. If you saw one of my videos down the Lagan River, these are city boundary posts, or usually like parliamentary boundaries. That's how they used to mark off the different sections of the city.